Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born, so the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
Good morning, it's the Weather Extreme video for Saturday, April 4th, 2020. I'm Scott Martin. We'll have a mainly dry weekend across the area with only a stray shower or two possible. The pattern becomes more active for next week as rain will be possible on nearly every day, with stronger storms possible midweek and into the latter half of the week. More on that in just a moment. I am recording this video just before midnight, so all of my latest data that I am using was out before 10 p.m. on Friday night. We'll start off with high temperatures across central Alabama on Friday. We were in the upper 70s for the most part across the area, with Montgomery actually hitting 80 degrees. The cool spot was Anniston at 76 degrees. Birmingham topped out at 78 degrees. The morning lows across central Alabama on Saturday morning will bottom out in the upper 40s to the lower 50s. As we'll have a minute chance of rain across central Alabama throughout the weekend, there will be no risk of severe weather on either day. And at the time I was making this video, there were no active watches or warnings across the area. Now let's dive into the GFS valid Saturday at 1 p.m. We'll start off the day with a surface low located over the northern parts of Louisiana, with a cold front draping back into southern parts of Texas. That will send some clouds in our direction throughout the day and maybe a stray light shower or two late in the evening over the western portions of the area. Other than that, Saturday should remain dry and getting warm as highs will top out in the upper 70s to the lower 80s. The cold front gets closer to the northwestern corner of the state to start off the day on Sunday, which may bring a few stray showers over North Alabama and may be creeping into the extreme northern parts of central Alabama during the afternoon hours. Rain chances will be very small for those locations, while the rest of the area should stay dry with a mix of sun and clouds. Highs will be in the upper 70s to the lower 80s. The cold front stalls out just to our northwest on Monday. That will keep the atmosphere unstable enough for scattered showers and a few thunderstorms possible over the northern half of the area during the main heating of the day. Where there is no rain, skies will be partly to mostly clear. Highs will be in the lower to mid 80s across the area. The stalled cold front will actually wash out and dissipate over the northwestern parts of the area on Tuesday. That means we'll have just enough energy necessary for rain and maybe a rumble of thunder or two to be likely at any time throughout much of the day. There will not be any instability in the area, so stronger to severe storms are not expected. Highs will be in the mid-70s to the lower 80s. Another cold front will start to make its way toward and eventually into the northern parts of central Alabama early on Wednesday. We will need to watch this system as the front passes through the area, as there will be plenty of instability available to fuel thunderstorm formation, and couple that with a decent bit of shear, we may have the potential of strong winds and some small hail. This would not be a tornado setup, as we will be lacking the helicity for rotating updrafts. The main window for the potential of stronger storms at this point will be from 1 p.m. to 1 a.m. Thursday. Highs will be in the lower to mid 80s across the area. A strong surface low will be moving by just to our north during the latter part of the day on Thursday. That may bring another round of stronger to severe storms to the area. We'll have a good bit of instability over much of the area, and we'll have enough shear and helicity that we may have to worry about a few rotating updrafts and the possibility of damaging winds and a brief tornado or two. Scattered storms will be possible early, with the main line pushing through during the afternoon and into the evening hours. Rain should be out of the area by midnight. Afternoon highs will be in the upper 70s to the mid 80s. As the low continues to push farther away from the area on Friday, those isobars will be closely packed to the backside, which means winds will be quite breezy at times, averaging 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the west-northwest. Clouds will finally give way to mainly clear skies by the afternoon hours, and highs will top out in the lower 70s to the lower 80s. That will wrap it up for today's Weather Extreme video. We'll have notes on the blog throughout the day. The next video will be out bright and early on Sunday morning. I'm Scott Martin signing off for today. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.